Hello class 704. Today is Thursday, March 5th, 2020. And today we are going to be doing Writing Monster. So Writing Monster, we're going to do page 76. So make sure you're on page 76, pause the video, and then we will start, okay? So, if we look at number one says, look and learn. So I will say the words, and you look at the pictures and say them out loud, okay? Turtle, turtle. Crab, crab. Octopus, octopus. Dolphin, dolphin. Shark, shark. Whale, whale. Okay, so turtle, crab, octopus, dolphin, shark, whale. Okay, and now let's move on to number two. So number two says complete and write. So what we're going to do is, number one has a picture of an animal. Number one. What does that look like? That looks like a shark. So we write shark. Number two. What's number two? It has a shell. We know what that animal is. That's a turtle. A turtle. Okay. Now, if you want, you can pause the video and try and do all the way up to number 6, and then come back and I'll write them down. But right now, I'm going to just write them out. So if you want to do it on your own, pause. Okay, and then we're going to do it. All right, ready? So number 3, dolphin, dolphin. Okay. Dolphin. Number 4. What does that guy look like with his claws? That is a crab. Crab. Okay? That's a crab. Alright, let's go to number 5. Number 5. What does this big guy look like? That big one right there. That is a whale. That's a whale. Whale. Number 6 is an octopus. Octopus. Look at his tentacles. With his 8 tentacles. So we have whoops. It's an O, not an A. Hold on. We have octopus. Okay, so make sure that you have all those written correctly, and then we will move on, okay? So, monster time, monster time. Do you know these words? Read and stick. Shrimp, squid, jellyfish, stingray. Shrimp, squid, jellyfish, stingray. Okay? Let's move on to the next page. Sentence practice. Okay, so there is a turtle. There are 2 whales. So let's practice saying those sentences. There is a turtle. There are 2 whales. Okay, now let's go to number 1. There is a shark. So where is the shark? The shark is all the way down here. So make sure to draw a line right there, okay? There is an octopus. Where's the octopus over here? There he is. So number 2, draw that line to the octopus. Number 3, there are 3 crabs. So let's see if we can find 3 things. 3 crabs. So there are 3 crabs. Number 4, there are 4 dolphins. So 4 dolphins. So there are 4 dolphins. Okay? Okay, let's go to the next page. Choose and write. So, we'll look at the example that they have. So, there is an octopus. There is an octopus. So you write, there is an octopus. It's not am, there am an octopus. That's not right. There is an octopus. So there is an octopus. So, if you want, pause the video, try and do them all by yourself, or we will do them together right now. So, let's look at number 2. What does number 2 say? Number 2 says, there is or there are a shark. Well, there's only one. And when there is only one, you say there is a shark. R is for more than one. So we are going to write, there is a shark. Okay? So, there is a shark. Okay, that's the answer to the first one. So if you want to try, do the rest by yourself, pause. Okay, we will move on. The next one says, there are a dolphin, or there are 3 dolphins. Well, let's look at the picture. How many do we see in the picture? There are 3 dolphins. So we're going to say, there are 3 dolphins. R is when there is more than one. So there's 3, there are 3 dolphins. Okay? So the next one is, there are 3 dolphins. Okay? Let's do the next one. Okay, there are 5 turtles or 5 crabs. Well, let's look. What is that animal? Does that look like a turtle? No. Those are crabs. So we're going to say, there are 5 crabs. Okay? There are 5 crabs. Okay? Now we're going to unscramble the words. So, from what we know, let's look at the first example. Okay, the first example we have whale is period there Okay, so what do we know about sentences? Well, we know that the period is always at the end. So let's start with that. Make sure you have this written. Pause if you have to, and I'm going to erase. So we're doing number 1. So what did we say? We know the period is always at the end of the sentence. So we'll put the period right there. There's the period. Now, what do we know at the beginning of a sentence? We have a capital letter, the big letter. So if we look, there's the capital letter. So this one is first. So there. So there. And now we have is, whale, and Well, we know that the verb comes first. So there is, and then whale. What about the So there is a whale. Okay? There is a whale. There is a whale. That's our sentence. Let's do number 2. So again, we have the period at the end. So the period is at the end. So number 2, period. Now, let's look for the capital letter. Where do we see the capital letter? There it is. So there, there, and then we have the verb after. So 3 turtles are. There are. And then we have turtles. We also have 3. And the number goes first. So there are 3 turtles. Okay? There are 3. I won't have enough room, so I'm just going to move the period. There are 3 turtles. Okay? So make sure you have that as your answer. And we are going to move on to page 80. So, for page 80, you will need your stickers. So if you go into the back and you get your stickers, hold on. We're on page 80. Page 80. Nope. Okay. So if you look at this one, it says, look and stick. So how many crabs are there? We have to say how many crabs there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 crabs. And this one says, there is a shark. There is a shark. Up here, there is a turtle. And if you look here, what animal is that with the legs? That is an octopus. So if we go check the stickers in the back, let's just double check. Yes, okay. So for this one, octopus, look at the legs, the tentacles, 8. How many octopus are there? There are 3. 1, 2, 3 octopuses. So make sure you put that right there, okay? And if we go to 81, read and complete. So, if you want to do this by yourself, pause the video, start and finish, and then come and check your answers because we are going to do it together, okay? So if you look here, there are 5 crabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's write that. There are 5 crabs. I'll erase this. There are 5 crabs. There are 5 crabs. Now let's do the next one. How many turtles are there? There is 1 turtle. So we can say, there is 1 turtle. Okay? There is 1 turtle. Okay. What animal is that? With the teeth. That is a shark. So we can say there is, how many? There is 1 shark. So that's our answer. There is 1 shark. And the last one. If we look at the last one, what's that with the legs? Remember we said it has 8 legs? That is an octopus. Now, when there is more than 1, we are going to say there are. So there are how many? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 octopuses. Okay? So let's write that. Give me 1 second just to check. So there are 3 octopuses. Okay? And would you look at that? That 81, and I think that's all we had to do today. Let me double check. That's all we had to do today. So, if you have any questions, email any teacher and we will help you, or call. Other than that, that is all for today. I will see you guys next time, okay? Bye.